2:45 in the morning. Useless purchases. No, not really useless. It's a Toyota Previa rain deflectors. These are actually pretty rare to find. These are some vintage ones that are brand new. It must just be meant for me to get them because they're only $25 and $30 shipping. But you can't find these anywhere. I did a search on Google and I searched for Previa window deflectors, and I think because the person put the E with there's an accent on it. Because when I typed this in, it wasn't coming up. But this is a deal. People can, another Previa owner will buy these fast. So, you know, just for the YouTube, I'm gonna do it. There it is. That's a good deal, and I could sell it. It's the last one. It's done now. If I wasn't doing it before, well, I don't know what I'm talking about. There was actually one of these in Pick and Pull, and I went there to see if I could get the window deflectors off it, but they were gone by the time I got there. All right, here we go. I was on eBay the other night. I've been kind of looking for a while for some of these, but I wasn't really too serious about it. But when I saw them, I said, oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to get these. All the Previa people out there, or Estima, they're gonna be like, oh, you won. You know, as always, building up the suspense. What? He had to fold them, I feel it. That was a big packaging. What? It new in the package though? Oh, what? And they left $10 on there? I think I paid more than that. I know I did. But I didn't pay too much. I think it was $25 with $30 shipping. That's a $10. That $10 is from 1992. All right, there it is. Ventvisor deflector. These go on the side windows, driver and passenger side, and they're to keep the rain out. These are brand new in the package, never opened. I have to get some of that 3M double-sided tape, and they just stick on. Kind of don't even want to open them yet. At some point I will though. Just wanted to make sure they were here. They are. Yeah, I'll wait till I'm about to put them on to open them. There they are. They should fit right over the window. I'm gonna stick on once I get the, I was gonna say, oh, it came close. Once I get the 3M sticky tape. Or should I just open it right now? What if I gotta resell them? If I gotta resell them, then I'm just gonna stick it back on. All right, I'll do it. I'll just tape it back. Just tape it back to the cardboard. That's pretty much all that's going on here. You know how people are with their original packaging. I just took down the value like $1 million. I probably could have resold these for maybe like 100 or some hundreds maybe. Who really knows? You know how people like their old car products. I did see some companies did, if you do some searches like on Google, you might find some people that sell these, but you gotta like special order them. Just don't want to mess the packaging up. Oh, I did it. There it is. I did it. It's just sticking in there. It's been in there for so many years. Alright, hopefully these don't break right away. Oh, wow, they do have the 3M on them already. What are the chances of that still being able to stick? Ooh, I think it will. I didn't know it came with it. See, that's why you open the package. That's true. That is true. It came with some rubbing alcohol. I mean, came with a alcohol prep. Oh, I guess we're cleaning the window. The door. It says 1988 on it. Legitimate right there. Kendall Healthcare Products, 1988. All right, what about this? Is this sticking still? Yeah, it actually is a little bit. I would hate to stick this on and have it like fall off because it didn't work well. Let's do a little test area. Oh, that might do it. It's definitely stuck to the other side. Stuck on the other side. I think we're gonna go with the stock 3M sticky material. All right, so it's nighttime now, but tomorrow I'll most likely line these up to the car windows, doors, see what it's looking like, clean off the door, and probably stick it on. Here's the instructions. Must be between 65 110. Okay. Clean adhesive. It'll clean so it'll hold. Okay, let it dry. Identify right from left. Okay. Pull inner liner out. I don't think there's much to it. I don't think I needed the instructions, but there's a picture of a Previa door. That's pretty interesting. For all the Previa people out there. Okay, I can't read that part. The bottom flange will seat in the curve of the window. We're just gonna have to wait till we get there. All right, there it is. Hopefully it doesn't break like right away since it's super old. But it seems to be in really good shape. I'm not gonna try to bend it or nothing though. All right, there it is. The original Ventvisor deflectors. Allows windows to be partially open. Keep parked cars cooler. Keep rain out. Let fresh air in. Reduce wind, noise, and drafts. Car wash safe. Limited lifetime warranty. I think it's probably over. Quick and easy to install with 3M brand tape. Where else can we go wrong here? It's even stamped like, wow, they did that. Yeah, you can't really find these anywhere. But yeah, I guess you can. But I didn't look into it, so I don't know if they were available. There were places online claiming that they had them, or you could hit them up to maybe they could make them. But just clicking somewhere and doing a buy it now on it and having them sent to you, nah, not at the moment. But look on eBay, you might find some more. There was a Previa and Pick and Pull, and I was gonna get them off that one, but someone beat me to it. But I got some new ones now, and it was about $60, so that's pretty cool. Shipped. So anyway, there it is. We'll be back.